Ayan. Welcome, ma'am. Kay Mrs. Cristina Monroy. Ayan, ma'am. Welcome po. Ayan, si Bukang Bang Plus Bang po kang nandito po ba ka? Ang representative lamang. That's very important po. Ayan. Nakita niyo na kung gaano kalagwapo pinaganda yung ating mga candidates. Ano? Bibigyan naman tayo ng isang kanta ulit ni Franz Sadiwa. Ayan, Franz. Noong 2016, hindi lang mo siya pinalag sali sa championship, sa finals, pero siya po ay naging finalist. Ayan. Tanda po ba ninyo? Ako tanda ko. Ayan, pala po natin si Franz.
There goes my heart. I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And there goes my mind racing. And you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I hope it's not. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean, and just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see. You are the reason. If I could turn you are the reason.
Galing naman yung Franz. Nakaka-inlove, ano? Ayan. Franz, number mo daw. O kaya Facebook or Twitter account. Pwede ito mahingi. Kung nasa likod, nakapula. Ayan. Habang kung nagbibihis ang ating mga candidates for the next category, ang ating casual attire. Na-acknowledge po natin ang ating SK Chairman. Nandito po si Honorable John L. Mapusti. Magandang gabi po, SK. Ang sangguniang Barangay Bahig po, ay taus-puso nagpapasalamat sa lahat na sumuporta, nagbigay ng oras, panahon, at tulong pinasyal upang maging matagumpay ang pagdaraos ng kauna-unahang Ginoo at Binibining Bahig 2022 sa Barangay Bahig. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. We will acknowledge again our sponsors. Honorable Lord Alan Velasco, our Speaker of the House and our Congressman. Honorable Presbytero J. Velasco, our Governor. Bukal Jojo Leva. Honorable Tresman Cuca, Attorney Maki Caballes, Konsehala Lideni Baldo, Mayor Rolando Tolentino, Mr. and Mrs. Ana Loto of Pathway Shop, Mr. and Mrs. Alonis Spencer of Happy Room, Smart Telecommunication, Mrs. Cristina Conroy, Mr. Christopher Similia, Mr. Alfredo de Belen, Mr. Dominico Castro, Mr. Harold Lim, Mr. Fernand Pineda, Mr. and Mrs. Myra Palomares, Mayor Wayne Beauty Shop, Ma'am Cheryl Munzen Virgil, Papa of Mr. Wilfredo Nazareno and Ma'am Karen Sorosa, PRN and General Merchandise of Nunez Family, RRJ and Mr. Lee, DYC, Bahi Youth Council, and Montiliano Family. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mahalagang tulong sa Barangay Bahi. Ang Samarita at ang kanya pong mga kagawaran sa pupuan ng lahat ng barangay officials ng Barangay Bahi. Gising pa ang purong uno! Talagang mahina sa purong uno para kayo malungkot. Purong dos! Ay, gising na gising. Purong tres! Gising na ang. Purong cuatro! Ay, gising talaga. Purong cinco! Magising pala ang. Purong sais! Ayun, gising. Oh, may hakay pa. Tawa naman. Baka po may gusto mag-intervention number, open po ang stage sa ating pong mga talentadong taga-barangay Bahi. Mama, kanta ka po, ma'am? Wala bang dancers dito? O sino dili? May premyo kayo kay Kagawad Oliver. At hindi kayo naman libo. Kaso sa December, check-in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our next category for tonight's coronation of Ginoon Binibining by 2022, the Quasal Attire. Casual wear. Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate for Ginoo and Binibining Bahay 2022 for their casual wear. Skyrock candidate number 1, Jean Ray Lopez.
In and out, I'll be up for the test. Like a blast from the past. I ain't confused, but girl, I'm attached. This is not good, my heart beating fast. Will this thing we have really last? I don't know yet, but I'm craving for you. Cause this feels so true. If there's heaven on earth, baby girl, I'll live with you. I really wanna beg you, boo. Wanna spend the joy with a glass for two. Please tell me, baby, do you feel it too? Is it mutual? Is it comfortable?
Maria Angelica Saris is from Purok 2. She believes that success is nothing more than a few simple disciplined practice every day.
Memories of 2019.
Candidate number 3, Precious Janine Liabe.
Good trips in the shopping. It's me, you, and the horizon. I've been talking about life in a Latin. Great girl, something as you're glowing. No, she don't want commitment. We be both down.
Precious Janine Liabe is from Purok 2.
Your business, you better be close.
She believes that people become successful the minute they decide to.
Goes in the same wavelength. I don't need money, man. I don't need cash. The only thing I need is a shawty red bag. Check my phone, young boy got a text. Told me, yeah, I'm alone, what's next? Found my keys and I hit the gas. In an hour, I'll be up for the test. Like a blast from the past. I ain't confused, but girl, I'm attached. This is not
Candidate number 4, Wella Flores.
yeah, but I'm ready for you. Cause it's been so true.
Wella is from Purok 5.
With you. I really wanna let me do what is best to enjoy when it's left for two. Please tell me, baby, do you feel it too? Is it mutual? We just go
Wella believes that the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Candidate number 5, Maria Rachel Villas.
Shawty, I've been feeling lonely. Memories of 2019. On the beach and we vibing. Cold ones on and we excited. Good trips and a shopping. It's me, you, and the
Maria Rachel Villas is from Purok 1.
girl, something as you
She believes your success and happiness lies in you.
when it comes to the limit. I'm saying yes, cause man, she a 10. I ain't combos in the same wavelength. I don't need money, man, I don't need cash. The only thing I need is a shawty red bag. In an hour, I'll be up for the test. Like a blast from the past. I ain't confused, but girl, I'm attached. This is not good, my heart beating fast. Will this thing we have really last? I don't know yet, but I'm craving for you. Cause it's been so true.
Candidate number 6, Mariel Pito. Mariel Pito está puro guapo. And she believes that failure is success in progress.
Shawty, I've been feeling lonely. Memories of 2019. On the beach and we vibing. Cold ones on hand, we excited. Good trips and a sobbing. It's me, you, and the horizon.
Candidate number 7,
And I'm not
Nea May Sabungan.
and she glowing. No, she don't want commitment. We be both down just to ride in the moment. Waiting for the one, but you keep your distance. Only be close when it comes to the limit. I say yes, yes, man, she a 10. I call both in the same wavelength.
Nea May Sabungan está puro guapo.
Thing I need is a shawty real bad.
And she believes successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, they succeed on purpose.
Check my phone, young boy, got a text. For you, all alone, what's next? Find my keys and I hit the gas. In an hour, I'll be up for the test.
Again, our candidates in casual wear.
I ain't confused, but girl, I'm attached.
Starting with candidate number 1,
Will this thing we have really last?
Jean Lorraine Lopez.
I'm craving for you.
Candidate number 2, Maria Angelica Saris. Number 3, Precious Janine Liape. Candidate number 4, Ruela Flores. Candidate number 5, Maria Rachel Anquilias. Candidate number 6, Mariel Pito. And candidate number 7, Nea May Sabungan. Ayan. Bibigyan po tayo ng special award sa ating mga candidate. Ang unang award po natin ay Best Introduction Number. Ang award po ay bibigay ni Kagawad Manahan for Pinipini by 2022. Best Introduction Number goes to candidate number 4. Best Introduction Number. Ayan, Kagawad. Ibibigay ko ni Kagawad Ramon Manahan.
Shawty, I've been feeling lonely. Memories of 2019. On the beach and we vibing. Cold ones on hand, we excited. Good trips and a sobbing. It's me, you, and the horizon. I've been talking about nothing and nothing. Great girls out
Ang
here.
next award po natin ay Binibining Friendship. Ibibigay po ni Kagawad Maria Pea Sagis. Thank you po, Kagawad Manahan. Our Binibining Friendship of Binibining Tayo 2022 goes to candidate number 3, Precious Janil Liabe.